Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. That's Gator. Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe and start your daily yoga practice today. This is a 10-minute yoga class for beginners. All levels should enjoy. We will stretch, move, build flexibility and strength. No props are needed. Bring the big toes together. The knees are apart. Walk your hands forward, away from you. On an exhale, bring your forehead down to the mat. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Arrive. Do your best to be here right now in each sensation. Press up to a tabletop, tuck the toes, and let's draw some circles with the torso, moving through almost an upward facing dog, almost back to child's pose. Just feeling out the hips, the shoulders. Let's go both directions. We're also stretching out the feet. Come back to center, a neutral spine. Reach the right leg back and up. Top of the foot is down with the bottom foot. Actually, also with the top foot. Reach the left arm forward. Reach even more. Strong lifted leg. Tabletop. Left leg up, just about hip height. Right arm forward. Keep the back of the neck comfortable, long. Press into the standing bottom foot and reach a little bit more. Tabletop. Tuck your toes, hover the knees. Lower the knees back down. Right leg back and up. Left arm forward. Reach again. Tabletop. Left leg back. Lift the leg and reach the right arm forward. Really lengthen. Tabletop. Tuck the toes, hover the knees. Downward facing dog. Press up, press back. Pedal out the feet. Bend one knee at a time as the opposite heel presses down. I like to roll out one wrist at a time as well. Shoulders away from the ears. Try to press the heels toward the mat. Lower your knees to the mat. Sit back on your heels and bring your feet out around in front of you. Soles of the feet together. Hold on to the outsides of the feet. Roll the shoulders back and down. Exhale forward over your butterfly legs. You can use your elbows to help press the legs open. Smooth out the breath. Couple more long exhales. We move to build some heat, and now we'll hold to find some stretch, some space. lift up. Place the soles of the feet on the mat about hip width. Hands are behind you, fingers pointing toward the heels. Reverse tabletop. Try not to let the knees splay. Lift your hips off of the mat. The neck can go back if that's okay with you. Sit back down. Bring the sole of the left foot to the inside of the right thigh, squaring off to the right leg. Lift up, reach up, fold over the right leg. This leg does not have to be straight for you to feel the hamstring. So if you'd like to try something a little gentler, you can keep the knee soft and round. If you're ready for more, then you do that. It's good to give yourself time to open up and to go back to some of the more basic stretches, the more subtle stretches for a strong foundation. Use your hands to help you sit up. Another reverse tabletop. Feet on the mat, hands and feet pressed down, lift, open up. Sit back down. We will switch sides, left leg out, sole of the right foot to the inside of the left thigh. Reach up, lift up, fold over your left leg. Smooth out the breath. Sit up. Feet on the mat, hands behind you, press and lift. Sit back down. Both legs extend out in front of you. Inhale, sit up, lift. And fold over both legs. The legs can be soft, whatever you need. Just focus on the breath and holding wherever you go. Sit up. Make your way to a comfortable seat. Sit up tall. Roll the shoulders back and down. Left arm reaches up and over. Side body reach just for the length of about a breath. And sit up. Switch sides. Left hand down, right arm up and over. Arms overhead. Closing breath. Inhale, look up, lift up. Long exhale. Lower your hands down. Thank yourself for your practice. I am so grateful for your presence. If you enjoyed this, do let me know. Thank you. Namaste.